Better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just
Hi my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to make this elegant hairstyle. So begin by making a parting and selecting our top section like I'm showing here, and make with it a ponytail. Then you want to clip it away for later, and you want to make this section underneath the same ponytail. Now when our ponytails are ready, we want to make an opening through the first ponytail and bring the ponytail upwards through this opening. Now you want to release your first ponytail, make an opening, and then grab the ponytail and bring it through the opening but opposite side of the first ponytail, downward. Now you want to make two simple 3-strand braids or rope braids depending on how easier for you is. Tie them using a clear elastic. Tug on the edge of the braid. Make sure to pull your hair only halfway through when you're tying the ends, so there are no ends sticking out when our bun is ready. Then you want to grab the braids and pin them like I'm showing here, hiding the elastics. You want to use some bobby pins and grips depending on how easier for you is. You can use some hairspray to fix it, leave some hair out if you want, and you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I put a new hair tutorial. Love you guys so much and see you soon. Bye!